Hi family, how are you all doing? So today I've got someone special here with me. That is my beautiful sister. So we did this look together and she's got a little intro for you guys. So you guys sit back and enjoy watching.
Voila! The queen is here. And she's here to show you her bun. That's so extra, right? So guys, This is my bun my sister did for me. Really quick and easy. All I did was put my real hair in a bun, and then she made this bun with kinky and she wrapped it around. Well, you guys are gonna see all that in the tutorial. All I know is that now I look fabulous. Okay.
Alright, so working with a clean washed hair, I'm gonna go ahead and put my hair in a bun using my Eco Styler gel and my Got2b glue gel. And if you guys are interested in a very detailed tutorial on how to put your hair in a bun, I'll put a link in the description box below and you guys can follow that link. So to achieve the bun, I went ahead to crochet this kinky hair into this hairband, and I'm going to be attaching that to my hair. Then you twirl that around and wrap that around your hair. So keep watching, and I do have some fun pictures of myself and my sister at the end of the videos. You don't want to miss that. So if you want, you can rock a small bun like this. You just have to use less hair extension, but I prefer my bun to be really big, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap the other half of the hair around to give it that big look. And we're all done. So that's the finished look, guys. Alright, so here is my sister and myself just having fun. So I did my sister's bun a little smaller, then I used small extensions. So here you have it. You can rock the small bun look on my sister, or you can rock the bigger bun look that I did for myself. So it's up to you to decide. And I want to say a big thank you to everyone that has supported this channel so far. I really appreciate you guys' support. And if you're yet to subscribe, please go ahead and support your girl by subscribing to the channel. And don't forget to leave a comment section in the comment section below which look you prefer.